Hi friends, Miss Arwood here. Oh, I'm so glad you came today because I'm going to put your brain to work. Our learning goal for today says, I can identify letters, words, and sentences. You know, when you open a book, there's so many cool things to see. So let's talk about what we remember about letters. How do you know something's a letter and what does a letter do? Yes, exactly. Letters are all by themselves and they make sounds. So, like this letter F makes a f sound, but this letter G makes a g sound. Awesome. What about words? Ooh, how do we know it's a word? Yes, and what does a word do? Yeah, exactly. Words are just letters put together and they mean something. Like these letters all together mean puppy, and these letters all together mean blue. All right, last one. What about sentences? How do we know something's a sentence? What does it look like? Oh, exactly. And what does it do? Perfection. Yeah. Sentences are just a whole bunch of words together and they tell us some kind of information. So this sentence says, You are my best friend. Yay, good. Today we're going to really put our skills to the test and see if we can identify how many of each we see on a page. For example, how many letters do you see in this word? So how many letters do you see? Okay, did you count? All right, how many letters did you see in that word? Oh, I saw 1, 2, 3. 3 letters in that word. Is that what you had? Oh, perfection. Okay, how many letters in this word? It's a little bit bigger. Yeah, I recommend getting your finger and tapping on each of the letters as you count. That's probably going to be helpful. Okay, do you have your number? All right, show me on your fingers. How many do you see? Okay, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have 4 fingers up? Perfection. Awesome. All right, you did so good with letters. Let's upgrade it to words. There are a whole bunch of words down here. How many words do you see? Okay, count the words. All right, go ahead and shout really loud. How many words do you see? Ooh, I see 1, 2, 3. 3 words. Awesome. Did we have a brain match? Ooh, I totally hope so. Now that we did so good with letters and so good with words, let's try sentences. How many sentences do you see down here? Ooh, this is tricky. Okay, do you have your number? Hold it up on your fingers. How many do you see? You saw 2? Oh, I see 1, 2. Yes! All right, really good job today, friends. We're really working hard to figure out the difference between letters and words and sentences. And sometimes if you give yourself a little quiz like we did today, it really makes your brain have to think about identifying the different ones. All right, our learning goal for today said, I can identify letters, words, and sentences. That's exactly what we did today with our little brain busting quiz. You did fantastic. So make sure you're using those good reading eyes to see when you're trying to find the difference between letters, words, and sentences. Happy reading, friends. See you next time.